everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel and I wish you a very happy new year. I hope this year is better than the last one. So last year we have struggled a lot emotionally, financially, physically, सबने ही struggle किया. I'm sure किसी न किसी तरह ये year उन्हें affect ज़रूर किया है. But I'm hoping कि ये coming year will be good for everyone. So this is literally the first video I'm shooting in this new year. Actually, it's the second, but you are seeing it like as a first because it's like first talk through. First video जो मैंने shoot किया, that is this look which you will be seeing very soon. So जैसे कि आप टाइटल में देख रहे हैं कि आज की वीडियो है एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो. Yes, last year I didn't do any unboxing video. So सोचा okay, let's get started with the unboxing videos again. So today I'm gonna unbox Lady Raga bag. Here I have the bag all packed, nothing. It's nicely sanitized, so don't worry about it. और इसे काफ़ी दिन हो गए हैं आए हुए, so I'm just open and see what I have in January 2021 bag. Well, I know some of the products because आपको option मिलता है इस bag में कि what do you want, like they give you like 2-3 options and you have to select one. So मुझे कुछ products पता है इसमें कौन से होंगे and कुछ will be surprised. I'm super excited about to see them. Alright, so I have a new year offer that is flat ₹50 off. If you use year 21 code, then you can avail this ₹50 off on their bag. And here I have product list जिसमें सब products लिखे हैं और उनके prices mention हैं. And here are the things which I got: a bag and products. So एक product I think bag में नहीं आया, so they kept it like on side. And this is how the bag looks. Really nice golden pouch. I really like it actually. It's really nice pouch. And let's just see. So पहले मैं देखती हूँ कि मुझे बाहर जो product था वो कौन सा product है. Alright, so this is basically a hand sanitizer. So this is instant hand sanitizing gel by Ambit Biomedics. Haven't heard of this brand at all. Yeah, so definitely need it. So this is 70 ml of product and this retails for 179 Indian rupees, which is a lot for a sanitizer, I would say. Yeah, but it will come handy. So yeah, that's the sanitizer. So I think the sanitizer is the extra because it's not written in the product list. So I'm guessing it's an extra bonus product which you are getting. Anyways, let's move on to the actual product. The very first thing I can see is this little tub, this little jar, and this is by the brand called Khadi Natural, and it's their nourishing night cream. It has no mineral oil and it's paraben free and it says it's organic, and it retails for 399 rupees. It says it has goodness of lemon, crab apple, tomato, wheat and white lily, and it recovers dry skin. Yeah, so night cream. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna give it to my mother-in-law because I already have like a really nice routine which is giving me results, so I don't wanna add up any cream to it. So yeah, this is the cream, but मैं अपनी mother-in-law को दे दूँगी ये. Alright, moving on to other products. I see, okay, so here I see fuchsia, lavender and calendula hydrating face gel. So this is their face gel. I have used their gel before and I really liked it. At that time I think the packaging was a little different, but I have used this gel and it's really nice for summer especially. But तो अभी मैं use नहीं करूँगी obviously. I will keep it aside and I will use it when the weather is a little warmer. So this one retails for 250 Indian rupees. Alright, then I see a jewelry piece. This is a bracelet and this is how the bracelet looks like. It's golden. It has these kind of two leaves. I really don't know whether I will wear it because Kabir is like too small abhi bhi. So I don't want to poke him with jewelry, especially of this kind. So I'll keep it aside. जब थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, I will wear it or I will gift it to someone else. Surprisingly, जो मैंने चीज़ें choose की थी in their form, I haven't received those things. So that's kind of like off for me because I was expecting them to be in this bag, but I got little different products. Yeah, anyways, let's just see what next I have, and Kabir is up. I'm just gonna come back. So guys, Kabir उठ गया था, so yeah, I just went to see him. Now उसका TV लगा के उसको मैंने बिठाया है. So I'm just gonna wrap up very quickly. So the next thing I have is a soap, and this is by Orange Apothecary handcrafted essential soap, and the soap I have is Glycerin Loofah Foot Candy. I think it's a foot soap. Yeah, I am not gonna open it, but this is how the packaging looks like, and really nice green color. And this one retails for 125 rupees. And now I'm left with the last thing, which is this one. I think it's some kind of essential oil or a serum. So फटाफट से इसे खोलते हैं and देखते हैं कि क्या है. Okay, so I have geranium oil from Khadi Natural. I have their rose oil as well, Khadi Natural, and it's really good. And this time, like this winters, I am enjoying oils on my skin, like on my face especially. So I'm definitely gonna try this up and see how it works with my skin. I am over with my Juicy Chemistry Helichrysum and Rosehip oil, so I'm just gonna add this one to my regime, और मैं देखूंगी कि how it works on my skin. And this one retails for 399 Indian rupees. So those were all the things I got in this bag, and I got in total 6 products, and most of them are something which I am not going to use immediately, like the gel, the bracelet, night cream. So I'm just going to give it to my mother-in-law, but I'm definitely gonna use this oil, because I'm loving this, and also I'm gonna try the soap as well. Obviously I'm gonna use the hand sanitizer as well. So these were all of the things which I got in my January Lady Raga bag, but I am a little disappointed because I filled the form and I chose some products which I was expecting in the bag, or बिल्कुल ही different products आए हैं. So yeah, so that was a little disappointment, but whatever I have, I'm gonna use it, or I'm gonna give it to someone who can use it and who will be happy to use it. So yeah, these are the things I got in my Lady Raga, and all the details of this bag will be in the description box. आप एक बार जाके check कर सकते हैं. You can go to their site and subscribe it for yourself if you want. And yeah, that's it for this video, and if you want to avail the discount, you can use year 21. You will get 50 rupees off on your subscription. And yeah, that's it. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Kavya. I do beauty related videos, mainly makeup, and if you like this video, then do subscribe, help me grow. And if you don't like this video, go check out some more videos of me. And then if you like my videos, then do subscribe and help me grow. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy, and I wish you a very happy new year again. Bye bye.